Hi there, I'm Rahul Kuntala from BloggersPassion. What if I told you that you don't need an expensive SEO tool like Ahrefs or Semrush to find traffic generating keyword ideas? In this video, I'll show you how exactly I use ChatGPT and Google to discover long tail keyword ideas that bring highly targeted traffic to your website. Let's get started. The first thing I do is open up ChatGPT. Let's say I want to write about affiliate marketing. So instead of asking AI to write an entire article, I simply ask it to generate some keyword ideas. For example, let's say, I want 10 long tail keyword ideas for affiliate marketing beginners with informational search engine. And within a few seconds, I'll get dozens of content ideas. You know, some of these content ideas might not be ideal for your website or audience, but definitely you'll find some topics that you wouldn't have thought of yourself. For example, a topic like how to make your first affiliate sale is a really good topic, especially for the beginners. Now let's see what people are actually searching for. Simply go to Google and start typing one of those keywords. For example, I want to talk about like how to make your first affiliate sale. Once you start typing that keyword on Google search, you will automatically see how Google autocomplete starts suggesting more relevant search terms. These are usually long tail keywords, and these long tail keyword suggestions actually come from real user searches. So the so they are great for finding you know additional relevant keyword ideas. I usually note down the best ones in a Google Doc. Now, if you want to find even more topic ideas, simply scroll down and you will see a people also ask section where you will find real questions people are asking on Google. For example, you will, for the topic on how to make your first affiliate sale, you will see people also ask questions like how to make $100 a day in affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate as a beginner, how do I become an affiliate with no experience. And whenever you click on those things, you will find even more relevant questions popping up. So that's how you can use both Google and ChatGPT to find, lots of content ideas. Now let's get back to ChatGPT. I'll simply paste one simple prompt. For example, um, what are the most common questions beginners uh, before starting affiliate before starting affiliate marketing? Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a ton of question based keyword ideas for you. Now you can use these topics to create blog posts, case studies, or even YouTube videos. So that's how I use AI for keyword research. I basically don't use it to replace tools like Semrush or Ahrefs. I use it to brainstorm topic ideas and find real questions people are actually searching for. So there you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.